Hello, my name is Amareshwar. I am faculty for accounting and I have experience of more than 10 years in teaching accounting for all the courses from class 11 to CA, CMA and CS. Let us discuss accounting. Accounting. What is accounting? What is accounting and why accounting? For any business organization, finding out profits or losses, assets and liabilities means results of business which took place for one accounting period. For a particular period, whatever the business that took place during that particular period of time, it has to know what are the results. Result, profit or loss. Why it should know profit or loss? It has to understand whether it is going in a positive way or in a negative way. Then it can take measures to correct its path and decisions can be taken properly. So, for a business organization to bring out the results, accounting is required. Now, what is accounting? Accounting is a language of business. For any language, it has certain grammar. That grammar starts with, for accounting, that grammar starts with debit, credit. What is this debit and credit? In a business organization, transactions happen day-to-day basis. Many more transactions happen on day-to-day basis. Some transactions will give benefit to the organization. In some transactions, business will give benefit to the others. So, receiving benefit is debit, giving benefit is credit. Receiving benefit is debit, giving benefit is credit. And there is accounting process. We know what is debit, what is credit. Then, how to find out results? So, results can be found through accounting process. Here we have an interesting point. This is a system. This has a language. Business has a separate language to speak about its operations. That is accounting. So, as we also have a language, business has a language. That is accounting. In accounting process, the first thing that we need to understand is human language, business language. The transactions that take place on daily basis will be in human language. That means the transactions that you write down, that you record, are in human language. These transactions will be recorded through accounting, and that is started business language. Accounting starts. So, recording of transactions. Recording of transactions is the first step of business language. So once the recording is started, certain process will take place and we'll get results. So this process, the entire process is, transactions are in human language. Transactions are in human language and the transactions are posted in journal. This is in business language. From journal to profit or loss, assets and liabilities. This is accounting process. This is accounting process. Again, when you get the results, these results are in human language again. So we are giving away what we have and allowing the system to process and give us the result. So whatever you are giving, you know and you can understand, and whatever you get from the system is also in human language, you will be able to understand. So for this to happen, we have to understand what happens inside the accounting language, inside the business language, that is accounting. For that, the basics are debit, credit. Basics are debit, credit. What happens? See here, journal. So the accounting process is journal, ledger, trial balance and financial statements. Journal, entry point, financial statements, finding out the results. Journal to financial statements. This is the process. The result of this process is profit or loss, assets and liabilities. So to understand this, we have to enter the transaction into accounting language. How? Through journal. What is this journal? We are giving the transaction in human language. The transaction is being uploaded. The transaction is being uploaded to business language using debit and credit. So receiving benefit account debtor to giving benefit. Receiving benefit account debtor to giving benefit. So this is the entry point of a transaction to be entered in the business language. This is the entry point. By analyzing all these similar transactions, we will be finding out results. So basically this is all about introduction to accounting.